Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we are unboxing Alana, a 2025 Collectors Club Stablemate. And be very careful not to, when you're using a sharp object, not to go in all the way, although it says, do not open with sharp instrument. It's got that cute little box. Oh, he's got a blue eye. Well, that's different. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of nice. I don't know. Look at that. Let's get some nippers. Woohoo! This is my one joy. It's opening up new horses. And I'm at a point now where it's project animals or specials like this. I don't buy too many of the regular runs unless they come out with something that just makes me go, oh, I gotta have that. Alrighty, so look at that. Look at that. I don't know, can you guys see? Can you see it? Look at that eye. Look at that eye. Look how they did that. That was really, oh, and they painted the ribbons too. Wow. Nice, very clean. Very clean masking. That's nice. National show horse maybe, because that's a Tennessee Walker. You could say Arab Tennessee Walker, even though it doesn't have a dish face. Because national show horses are Pinto Arabians. Or Palomino. They're all those weird colors that Arabians are not. But really nice. Really, really nice. I mean, that eye is just amazing. They even put a little dot. I mean, what paint? They're using a hair. They're using like a human hair or something to paint that. Wow. Yep, I'm happy with her. That is her. I'm happy with her. That's really nice. Yeah. Much better. It's the reason why we get these little pieces of art. All right. Well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.